है वतन आबाद रहे तू।
Good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. Children, do you know what is the date today? Today is 25th of January 2021, right? And children, in our previous GK class, we have discussed about festival, right? And in that chapter, we learned about national festival. Yes, and in that we came to know that there are three national festivals: Independence Day, which we celebrate on 15th of August every year. Next one is Gandhi Jayanti, which we celebrate on 2nd October. And third one is Republic Day, which we celebrate on 26th January. So tomorrow is Republic Day, right? So I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. First of all, tomorrow we are going to celebrate our 72nd Republic Day. Now what is Republic? Republic means there will be no king or queen for our country. The head of our government are chosen by us. The government is for people, by people and to people. Means on 26th January our constitution came in force. Let me make you clear that on 15th of August 1947 we got independence from British rule. Okay, but till then our constitution, we are following the rules of British government only. Okay, some people are making rule for us, for people of India, that how we will live in India, what's rule for us and what duties for us and what are rights. Okay, like in school or in at home also, we have to follow some rule, that we have to wake up in the morning, we do brush, take bath, after that we have our breakfast. Some rules, small rules are there. Similarly, for in India, in our country, we have some duties as well as some rights: right of education, right of religion, right to speak, right? And some duties also we have, that we have to respect our country, we have to respect our national flag, national anthem, right? So these all things are written in a book that is called Constitution of India, and Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar is known as the architect of the Constitution, right? So now I hope that you all have understood by Republic. Republic means the head of the government is chosen by the people of India. So on 26 January 1950, we Indians get Republic. Our constitution came in force from that day. And tomorrow is again our 72nd Republic Day. So wish you all a very happy Republic Day. And for this Republic Day, we pledge that we try to serve our country. And we children, how we can serve our country? As we are small kids, we can do much more, even than from our elders also. We try to work hard in our studies, we try to be honest in our work, we try to follow good manners only, so that we try to become a very good citizen of India and try to good deeds for India, isn't it? Let's try to celebrate Republic Day in true meaning, to promise ourselves to do something good for our country. Okay? And children, in our today's class, we are going to do an activity. I have done this activity for you. I'll just make a kite and color it with the earbud of the tricolor, as our national flag has tricolor, and then I write poem of my own for the country, and the topic of my poem is My India. And here it goes. India is my country. India is my country. It is big and bright. India is my country. It is big and bright. I love my country. I serve my country. I love my country. I serve my country with all my might. Children, now let us discuss about our today's classwork. Today we are going to do this enrichment activity in our notebook. Take out your English reader notebook and a sharpened pencil and write down today's date. Today is 25th of January 2021. Date and classwork is in first line. In second line, put the caption subject enrichment activity, and after that, Happy Republic Day. Now I paste a white A4 sheet and draw a kite over it, and then color it with the help of watercolor and earbuds in a tricolor, which our national flag has: tricolor, saffron, white and green. In the same way, I colored this kite, and after that on the next page I have written my poem that my country. India is my country. It is big and bright. I love my country. I serve my country with all my might. Children, this is my poem. You try to compose your own poem and share your work with me till next Saturday. You have 1 week time to compose your poem and to do this activity. So Happy Republic once again, and thank you for listening me. So see you soon in our next class. Children, this is our enrichment activity also, which we have done earlier. One activity we have done earlier for 5 marks. This activity also carry 5 marks, and you have to submit me this activity till coming Saturday. So best of luck for your activity. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.